throw up, throw up. Vomit, vomit. For example, please don't throw up in here. Look up to, look up to. It means admire or respect someone. For example, I look up to my mother, she is a great woman. Pick on, pick on. It means bully or tease someone. For example, I don't like Pablo. He always picks on me. Put up with, put up with. It means tolerate someone or something. For example, how do you put up with such a mean boss? Take after, take after. It means resemble. For example, some people say that I take after my dad, but I wish took after my mom. Run out of, run out of. It means not have any more of something. For example, we've run out of food, let's go to the store. Pull through, pull through. It means survive a serious illness or operation. For example, it was a risky operation but Joeshi pulled through. Carry on, carry on. It means continue doing something. For example, the children carried on misbehaving. Catch up with, catch up with. It means talk to friends who have not talked to recently. For example, I caught up with my friends yesterday. Cut back on, cut back on. It means reduce the amount of money you spend. For example, the government want to cut back on spending. Come across, come across. It means find something by chance. For example, I came across some old photos while cleaning up. Get at, get at. It means imply, try to say something indirectly. For example, sorry, I'm not sure what you are getting at. Get on, get on. It means enter public transportation. For example, George got on the train to Paris. Get off, get off. It means exit public transportation. For example, Jane got off the bus when it arrived at her stop. Get on with, get on with. It means concentrate on doing something. For example, I need to get on with my homework. Get out of. Get out of. It means exit, a car or taxi. For example, be careful when you get out of the car. Get over. Get over. It means recover, feel well again. For example, it took me a long time to get over the last cold I had. Go over. Go over. It means review. For example, remember to go over your answers carefully. Go with. Go with. It means look good with another piece of clothing. For example, does this scarf go with my jacket? Keep up with. Keep up with. It means run at the same speed. For example, slow down. I can't keep up with you. Live up to. Live up to. It means be as good as people had hoped. For example, the movie is really lived up to everyone's expectations. Look after. Look after. It means care for, take responsibility for. For example, my mother looks after my children when I'm at work. Turn up. Turn up. It means be found, usually by accident. For example, I lost my passport but I'm sure it will turn up. Look forward to. Look forward to. It means wait for something with excitement. For example, he was looking forward to going to the beach